How to set auto reply in Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first I will launch the browser on your device. Here I've gone for Google Chrome, and you can simply search for outlook.live.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, what you simply need to do is you have to tap on your profile icon, or you can simply go for a settings option. So let's just go for the settings option over here. So let's just tap on the settings option, and as you can see, I've already tapped on the settings icon. So what you need to do is simply tap on the options over here. So let's just launch Outlook again, and as we search for Outlook, we get the option of settings at the top right corner. So let's tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. So here you get the settings icon, and as I tap on settings icon, it will land us to the settings page. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now what you need to do is tap on the option of the account option, and as I tap on account, you get the option of automatic replies. Tap on automatic replies, and as you do that, you can simply see we do not have these settings, so we'll have to try it again. But what we simply need to do is simply toggle on this option, and we have to enter the auto reply message and set the start and end times if needed. So that's all we need to do. So we can simply refresh this page again, and that might help us in setting auto reply in Outlook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.